So let's go ahead and learn about packages in Java. Okay, so packages are used to organize classes in Java. That's the first use. They are used to organize classes in Java. Then we use packages to avoid name conflict. Name conflict means having classes that have the same name, and to write a better and maintainable code. Then how do we locate packages? Now let's go straight to our IntelliJ IDEA, just over here. I'm just gonna type magnifier because I want to enlarge this part over here. Now on your project over here, when you click on this project over here, we have our main folder, which is learning Java. Okay, and inside learning Java we have the IDE. Okay, .IDE, we have output, and then we have SRC. Okay, so we have three folders that are inside learning Java. Okay, now inside the SRC, okay, when you click on it, you will come and find a package that is called com.wizard, and com.wizard is this package over here. So we have this package, and then we have com.wizard. So our first main package here is com.wizard, and this package, you always create it when you are creating a new project. Okay, and this wizard can be the name of your company or the or your domain. Okay, so you can also go ahead and create a new package inside com.wizard, and for you to do that, you just have to right click and then go straight to new, and then let me do it one more time. So you just right click, go to new, and then go straight to package. Okay, so once you click on package, you have to create a new package, and make sure that when you're creating a package, all of your names are supposed to be in small letters. So let's go ahead and type wizard 1. Okay, and then click enter. So this basically means that inside com.wizard we have a new package called wizard1. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a class inside wizard1. So if I right click and go straight to create a Java class, and let's go ahead and create a class called wizard, and make sure that when you're creating a new Java class, the first letter is supposed to be in capital letter. So this is wizard. Okay, so class, just like that. So click enter. So as you can see, we have wizard class that has been created over here, and this wizard class is inside the wizard1 package, and this wizard1 package is inside com.wizard. So as you can see over here, we have the package, and then the main package is com.wizard, and inside this package we have wizard1, which we have created, and inside this wizard we have a class that we have created called wizard class. Okay, so you can see how everything is put in order. Okay, from the main class to from the main package to a package that was created inside the main package, and then after that you create a class. So you can see that there is an order. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the second package. So go straight to your main package and then right click and click on new, then go straight to package. Okay, so once you click on package, let's go ahead and create the second package. So this is gonna be wizard, then let's say wizard 2. So click on enter. Okay, so as you can see that we have created another package. Okay, so inside com.wizard we have two packages. We have wizard 1 and also we have wizard 2. So let's go ahead and create a class inside this wizard 2. So go ahead and create a Java class and go ahead and say wizard. So let's go ahead and say wizard class and then say 2. Okay, and then click on enter. So as you can see, we have two packages inside com.wizard, and each package has a class. Okay, and as you see that we say that package help to organize classes, so it's very easy for you to know that this class belongs to wizard 1 package and wizard class 2 belong to wizard 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and see this. So we have a package and then we have the main package, which is com.wizard, and inside this package we have wizard 2. Okay, so inside wizard 2 we have a class that we have created called wizard class 2. Okay, so you can go ahead and close the classes. So you can see that we have our package over here. Okay, so inside src we have our package here, main package, which is com.wizard. So if I click on this arrow over here, it's gonna show me inside this com.wizard we have two packages. We have wizard 1 is a package and then wizard 2 is a package. And if I click on the first wizard, you see that I'm gonna get a class. Okay, and then if I click on the second package, you see I'm gonna get a class. Okay, so that's how you create packages. Okay, and that's how you use packages inside Java.